Gold and silver, after a bit of ups and downs, are back now to the last week's closing levels. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Second update will be released before the US session, though today US is on holiday, but still we will see the next update before the US session timings. You can also get the live updates by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels, trade as per the level. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, this is trying to squeeze here, flat bottom and narrowing triangle, and hence a breakout either which ways is going to be important. Possibly right now it is trying to reverse and looking forward to an upward break, but let's be watchful and cautious. Remember, 1940 you can still expect 1935 levels as a very good support. Staying below 1935, we are going to look forward to a major downside in gold. Right now it is very much in the range. If you look at last few hours, yes, there was a gap, it tried to fill it. And if you look at the movement here, also higher lows, lower highs. Hence, any move above 1950 you can buy, and a sell below 1940 you can take. Remember these two levels. Stochastic has dropped, trying to recover. MACD trying to cross over for a buying entry again. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see twin bottom here trying to recover. It can try to fill this gap, which means 1960 levels it can try to achieve. You can buy here at 1950, expect 55-60 levels on the upside. Very good resistance exist at 55 and 60 zone. Stochastic flat, MACD is trying to trade with divergence, trying to trade with bullishness. See, it is trying to recover a bit and it is coming at a bottom levels, and this could be potential recovery levels for gold. RSI almost flat. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, so similar is the observation. Wait for it to break past 1950 levels, beyond which you can expect, see, till these levels 1960, 1955 and 1960, one has to remain extra cautious and alert. One bottom reversal, second bottom, it can try to reverse a bit. How far it can go? It can in fact rise till towards 1965-70, but safety is better than a loss, and hence always trade with a stop loss at cost. Till it's below 1985, you have to put the stop loss at your entry price. Remember this fact. Stochastic flat, MACD is almost flat, RSI is almost flat at bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour, now looking at 4-hour chart, see one green candle, second green candle, let it pass by this zone. In fact, 1948 levels you can buy, but then till 1955 and 1960 level, one has to remain. Same observation, I am not going to repeat the observations again. You can find first bottom here at 42, 43, next bottom at 40, and then at 30, 35 levels. It has formed a bottom, it can try to recover from here. The stochastic flat, MACD trying to cross over for a buying entry, and RSI is almost trading flat here. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, the 100 period simple average, the 100 period exponential average, it is trying to swing in between this. Let it break past either which ways. Certainly we can expect, they see it has formed a bottom. Certainly you can expect a little rise from here. Be careful with the short. Still 1935 is respected. Also to see the stochastic is oversold. The MACD is also extremely bearish. It can potentially try to converge, and the RSI is also trading at bottom. Considering this, a sell entry is only below 1940, where you can expect 1935, but only bearishness is if you see gold trading below 1935. Till 1935, no bearishness. It can bounce back again. It can possibly recover strongly on the upside. At the same time, if it trades above 1948-50 zone, you can stay long and see 1954-55 first target, 62nd. Till 1970, it has got very good resistance. Beyond that, you can see it hitting 1985 and plus levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to the analysis, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can reach out to the same IDs for joining my signals channel. Trading as per the signals definitely will benefit, else the mentorship will help you become a profitable and independent trader. Reach out for more details. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See, divergence, convergence, divergence, convergence. Moving averages crossed over on the hourly chart, trading with little divergence. Possibly once it stays above this zone at 23.35, or rather I will say 23.40. Just stay long in silver. If you see it trading above 23.40, you are going to look at 23.60 and 23.80 levels as the next targets. Remember, 23.40 levels is a clear buy entry where you can potentially expect more rise. See, stochastic has dropped here. MACD. Now look at MACD on the hourly chart. It is given good, strong bullish streak here. Now it is trying to cross over. This is a bearish sign on the hourly chart for silver. RSI was overbought too. It has come down to lower levels. Now if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see one thing we had observed earlier, see the drop here, bottom here, and if it tries to recover, it can in fact try to go till towards 24.20, 24.50 levels in a very speedy manner, and hence if it stays over 23.40-60 zone, it can try to bring more bulls there. Stochastic overbought looking down. MACD has seen the highs. It is trying to converge crossover. RSI almost trying to look down here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also, now see, reversal sign is there, which is seen on silver's 3-hour chart. This is a reversal sign, which is a bearish indication. 23.35 very good resistance, and hence I am giving you a buy entry at 23.40. Lower highs, lower lows, which means a sell entry. Now where to sell? Remember 23.10, a little far below, but 23.10 is a very good support. 23.10, 23.04, $23 levels. This is the zone you should watch out for. This is a very good support here, and till 23 it is going to get the support. Below 23 we may see the bears prevailing there, because see the stochastic slightly overbought. It can try to look downwards. The MACD is in green, can try to converge. RSI almost trading flat here. Now looking at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts also, reversal sign, flat top, second candle will decide which direction it takes. Possibly it can try to come back to 23.10 and $23 levels. Possibility exists. Only sell entry I will recommend. Though it is below 23.10, you can in fact initiate at 23.15. Expect a very strong resistance till $23 levels. Very strong resistance till $23 levels on the downside. Very strong support rather I will say. And hence you should be cautious, watchful. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at the 4-hour, the stochastic is extremely overbought, hence a couple of red candles cannot be denied. MACD has seen extreme divergence, it can potentially converge. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts also, now look at the daily charts. Yes, once you see it trading about 23.40, just stay long. It may form a good tail, but right now what is happening, it is giving lower highs and it is trying to reverse, and hence only buy entries about 23.40, beyond which you can expect very good rise, where it can try to nullify the drop till here, which means 23.80, $24 levels can be expected. The stochastic is seen rising. MACD is seen converging here. It has seen in good enough drop till now. Potentially a conversion crossover can be expected. RSI almost at bottom. Considering this a buy entry only about 23.40. Else a sell entry can be taken at 23.50. Yes, it is trying to retrace a little, but we have to wait. It is still not bearish. It can bounce back. If not today, possibly tomorrow, it can try to bounce back and recover. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.